If you're a complete beginner trying to build your first web application with Lovable, I've got you covered on this one, because in this video I'm going to show you how I've been able to build my first app with Lovable. It is as simple as that. And if you watch to the end, I'm going to show you the exact hack to create a prompt that gives you a full stack production ready SaaS tool. We are in the era of AI, and AI is building websites and web applications, and these days you can easily build web applications with Lovable, Replit, Base 44, Hosting Horizon, and all of that. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to do all of this. If you're new to my channel, I am Faith Amole. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. I help business owners build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners web design with WordPress, AI, and all of that. If these are things you love, hit the subscribe button. There are basically 4 steps to building an app with Lovable, but before I go into that, I would like to explain what Lovable is. Lovable is just an AI website builder or a no-code web application builder, and it is completely AI. As an AI agent that you can just write a simple prompt and it will build an app for you and launch it for you. Lovable has a Lovable cloud where you can actually host your website. You can connect your custom domain. You can literally build your app for free using the free credits. But if you want to attach your custom domain or integrate your custom domain, you will need to upgrade. I'm going to show you that in a jiffy. For you to build your app with Lovable, there are 4 steps you need to follow. Number 1 is that you need to brainstorm idea on what you want to build, right? What do you want to build? I always encourage people to build a micro SaaS tool. A micro SaaS tool is simply a simple tool that targets a specific pain point, a specific problem for a specific audience. So you want to build something like a caption generator for content creators, for business owners. You want to create SEO tool basically for beginners. You are solving a pain point for a particular audience. You're not trying to build a tool with so many features. No, these are things you can literally build, and you can generate ideas from so many sources. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas on what to build depending on your niche. Then you can go to Reddit and also gather ideas on what people want, the problems they have, what are they complaining about. You can build a simple tool that will satisfy that. As soon as you do that, the step 2 is to generate your prompt. If you want to get a better tool, you have to prompt first, gather your prompt. This prompt will be detailed enough, and you can use ChatGPT to create your prompt. Then as soon as your prompt is ready, you copy this prompt, go into Lovable, sign up, paste your prompt, and it will generate the UI for you, and you begin to prompt it gradually to refine the tool however you want it. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through this process step by step. Just walk with me and make sure you watch this video till the end. As soon as that is done, step 3 is to do what? Publish your app. As soon as you publish your app, Lovable will give you a subdomain that you can use to view your website or your app live. And if you want to actually connect your custom domain, you will need to upgrade. Step 4 is for you to actually deploy. You want to make sure you deploy your app, host it on a live server where it will be live for users to use it. I'll also show you the best hosting provider I use to host my tool. So I'm going to walk into my system now and show you the tool I've built, and I will show you the one we are going to build. And by the end of this video, you will be able to launch your own SaaS app today. So if you love this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you don't skip any part of it. And if you want to jump to any part of this video, there is a time stamp in the description below. Make sure you check the resources I'll put in the description of my video, and I'll also attach the exact prompts for any of the things I'll be doing in this video. To start building your app on Lovable, so the first thing you have to do is, which is the step 1, is to sign up on Lovable. Just come to lovable.dev. But then I have a link in the description. When you click on it and sign up, you're going to get free 25 credits for you to start building your app. Just go to the description of this video, click on that link. You'll be able to actually get some free credit to start building your apps immediately. As soon as you sign up, you just log in. It's quite simple to sign up. Let's get started. Let's go over to sign up. So I'm going to sign up with my Google. You can enter your email, but I just want to go through this route. So I authorize Lovable. So I click on continue. Lovable has loaded, so you can pick between the light and the dark version. Let me go with the light version. So full name, I will leave it at this. Are you a designer? I can say I'm a designer. Then just click on solo. The interface has loaded. If you look at our interface now, you can see this is Lovable, right? This is how it looks like the first time you sign up. This is where you are going to paste your prompts or whatever you want to start building with. You can start instructing Lovable here. So if you look at the left hand side, you can see home, you can see search. As a beginner, you can see all the projects you've done here, the ones you start, the ones that are created by you, the ones that people shared with you. Maybe you have some people you are collaborating with. Then here you can decide to upgrade if you want to upgrade. So if you click on this place, it will show you the amount to upgrade. Then if you share your link, you can get 100 credits to work with. So you click on this drop down, you can see that you have 10 credits left. As a beginner, you are getting 10 credits. If you use my link, you're getting double. So that is that. So what we're going to do now is that I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to copy the prompt I've already written for this project I want to work on. I have a prompt already I want to use. Towards the end of this video, I will share with you a very secret hack that you can use to create a production ready prompt. And I'll also leave this prompt in the description of my video. If you want it, just let me know. I will drop this. So this is my prompt. You are a senior full stack AI engineer and product designer. Build a clean modern SaaS web app called Slide Snap AI. All functions, we have already defined that. So optionally extra text, so these are instructions I've given. Do you see how detailed it is? Monetization, free plan. So you have to be as detailed as possible. If you are not detailed this way, it will consume your credits, right? Because each search you make or each prompt you write will consume your credits. You just have to economize your credits by being detailed. Write your prompt first, bring it here before building. So I'm going to click on this and allow Lovable to do justice to this particular app. It's going to generate it. As soon as it generates it, we'll come back and continue. Lovable has built it. So let's quickly see what Lovable has given to us. Oh, this is wow. Can you see the tool Lovable has built for us? Can you see? This is amazing. So let me view this in a new tab. So I'm going to click on new tab. Let's see how this app looks like on the front end. Can you see what Lovable has done? This is amazing. Can you see? This is wonderful. So it has actually built this app. Turn any video into slides in seconds. So this is what I have built with. Can you see? This is amazing. If you look at this interface now, so this is where you are going to prompt AI. So this is where you're going to ask AI any other thing. Let's say we want to add anything here. We can actually tell Lovable to do it. There are also things you can actually use here. There are other parameters here that you can actually instruct Lovable to do for you. Like this, you can just click on this, click on all these suggestions here. Lovable has a very amazing suggestions for app builders, especially beginners who do not actually know exactly what to build. It can give you suggestions on what you can add to your app to make it fantastic, right? So you can say enable Lovable Cloud and set up the back end for actual video processing. I clicked on this. It has entered this typing bar here. You can click on it, just click on go, and it will start processing it. But before I go into that, I would like to actually explain this interface for you. So if you look at here, this place is where you can close this bar, sidebar, right? If you click on it, you'll be able to close it, right? So you see preview is this thing we have seen here. So this is where you see files, the files associated with what we have built here. This is where you see the raw code. So here is where you see the raw code Lovable has created for us, right? This is Lovable Cloud. This is where Lovable hosts all of your app. This is your app at the moment. If you enable cloud, it will actually host it. We haven't enabled that. We can enable it here, or we can instruct it to enable it here. We're coming to that. So you can click here to see analytics. what is happening within here, right? To view analytics, you first need to publish your project. We haven't published. Let's look at here. You can see all of that here. All these things here are actually briefed here. So let me go back to preview. So if you look at this place, you can see comments. You can actually make comments here. Then you can share this with people whom you are working with. Maybe you have other developers you want to work with. Then you can share this project with them for them to see. Then you can push this to GitHub, right? So one of my apps I built, let me quickly show that app. So this is the app I built in Lovable. It is deployed to GitHub and it's also deployed to Vercel where it is being hosted. So this is the app. It is functioning very well. Once you sign up, you'll be able to use this app. Let's go back to where we were before now. So what is here is just your GitHub where you can manage this particular app with other developers. GitHub is just a virtual control platform where you can host your codes. Other people can make contributions to it, and that is that. So if you want to upgrade, this is where you can do that. You click on upgrade, it will allow you to upgrade. You can publish your app. As soon as you publish your app here, it will give you a link you can use actually to do what? To view this website in real time. It will be hosted in Lovable Cloud. So Lovable Cloud is just like a cloud host where they host all your stuffs, right? If you click on this thing now, it is amazing. It has brought us here. Can you see? We can actually upload our video here and it will create our slides for us. This is absolutely amazing. So the next thing I'll have to do here, now we want to continue our job, as you can see. So I've gone back to the home page. So what do? I can say enable cloud. Let's click on it. So I don't have, I'm not looking for anything. So I've actually clicked on this. So it is working. It is working on what we have asked it to do. Allow submitting enable cloud. We want to enable cloud so that we can save whatever we are doing here. The cloud is just like where it is hosted live. It is working. All right, this is absolutely done. It says, how would you like to handle the heavy video processing? So how do you want to do that? So we can set up, let's do something like, let's say build a full stack database. So I can submit this. So this has been created for us. Can you see that it has actually added the database for us? It says upload page stores files in Superbase storage, create DB records and all of that. So that is that. So let's say if I want to actually change this text, all right, so what should I do? I can click on visual edit here. So I'm going to do that right away. So I will click on this particular visual edit. So if I click on it, it will allow me highlight any part of this website and change it. If I want to change this background, I can just highlight this background and change it. Can you see that any background I click, anything I click here, it will actually be highlighted? Can you see? Because I clicked on visual edit. This is visual edit. So I can click on here and change the background color of this and change whatever I want to change it. So let me quickly do something here. Turn any video slides into seconds with this tool. So it's either you prompt it here or you just click on this, come to the left hand side and complete it yourself. So here, as you can see, if you click on anything, the left hand side will give you things or parameters to apply. This is font size. You can apply font size here. You can change the font style. You can see if I choose this, it shows this sans serif. So this is absolutely fine. So you can make it extra bold. This is extra bold. You can choose normal. You can choose medium. Can you see? So this is where you do all of this. You can center align this. So if I say let me center align this, can you see? It will be center aligned, but then let's leave it at left aligned. So that is basically that. If I want to make changes to this, right, so what I will do is just to ask Lovable to add something to this. I can say add in 10 seconds with with this two. So I want you to add this. This is it. If I click send, it will send. But I can actually do that here as well. I can click on send so that it will apply the changes I've made here. So let's go and see what happens next. So let me see if I can preview it. So where did they add the text? Let's see. Added text to the headline. I video into slides in seconds. I didn't see anything it's added there. What did they add? So let me click on visual edit again. I just go to this place. Let's see. I want to do something like so. Change this. Change to this. So I want to paste what it has given me here, or what I have here in 10 seconds. So I just want to add 10 seconds just to show you how to edit in 10 seconds. Let's see. So as you can see, it has added what I wanted it to add in 10 seconds. So that is fantastic. I can say here, I can also click here and say remove this icon. So I'm going to, click on visual edit again. So I want to say remove this lightning icon. Remember, any change you make on your app or on this particular app prompting, your credit is going deducts your credit that it gave to you. That is how easy it is to build any app in this particular Lovable tool. I love this tool because I've been able to use it to build my apps. So I've built up to 3 apps. I think I've shown one here. That one is live. So as you can see, this is fantastic. This is fantastic. So with all of this, you can start refining all of this. When you click on get started, where does it take you to sign up? Can you see a user can sign up as soon as you sign up? So let me quickly sign up and see account created. Can you see I've created an account here? Can you see that our sign up page does not have a password view icon? So add a password preview icon to the auth page, so users can see their password, can preview their password or whichever one. So I want to instruct you to do that. This is wonderful. You are prompting AI, you are giving AI instruction, and it is building a perfect app for you, right? So that is how simple it is. No need of coding anymore. We are in the era of prompts to build. You literally give instructions to AI in natural language, in English language, and it builds that. Can you see? So I want to save this. So let me save it so that I don't lose it. Can you see that it has added it immediately? Can you see? So I can see, I can preview my can you see that's added it? It wasn't here before now. So that's how fantastic AI is. So let's see, we want to test this. As you can see, Lovable has given us some suggestions here. These suggestions are superb because they will help you do some things here. Oh, we have reached our daily limit. Can you see? That is what you get here. So if you want to upgrade, you can just quickly click on upgrade, and that is that. So we have not finished building this app, but so far we've been able to generate an app that looks amazing. So for us to publish this app now, what are we going to do? Click on publish. Then you can click on here to change this. So this is too long. I can say slide snap Lovable. So I click on this. It's been okay. This name is taken. I can add AI, slide snap AI. So let's see. This one is available. So if you have a custom domain, you can actually integrate a custom domain. But for you to do that, you need to upgrade to Lovable Pro. So you click on continue. click on continue. Do you want this to be public? Yes, I want it to be public. As you can see, let's see if you want to actually change the icon here. So we're going to change this to snap, slide snap. So that is that. There you can see is smart slide generator 2. You can upload your own image here if you want, but let's see how it looks like. If you preview it, this is how it looks like. So I'm going to click continue. So it has added this is our URL. Anyone can view it. The website information, security recommended. We've not checked security because it's going to consume our free credits. It's going to demand free credits, so there's no need for that, but we'll do that later. So I'm going to publish this. So our app is live. Fantastic. So let me copy this, or let's view our app live. So let's see how our app looks like on the front end. Wow, this is beautiful. Turn any video app into slide. As you can see, slides extracted in 24 hours. I can go ahead here and build the footer. I can make these things work. All right, so but I just want to show you that it is possible to build this app, and I've been able to build it, and mine is live. This is the second one. So you can see this is testimonial page, this is pricing to take you to pricing, this is testimonial page. So if you want to log in, you click on login. So as soon as your app is published, any changes you make here or any change you make here will reflect automatically, right? Even when you deploy to Vercel, if you make any change here, if you come here and prompt and add anything, it will actually push to GitHub, it will push to Vercel. That is how fantastic this is. So let's see. I wanted to sign in here, but it is not signing me in. It said email not confirmed. So it needs us to do, if I'm to build this completely, I will do it in such a way that it does not need email verification at the moment, just like I built this my own app. I don't need email, so I just need to log in, and that's all. Once I log in, I'll be able to access it. So that is that for building with Lovable. As you can see, we have been able to build our app. So that is that on building your first micro SaaS app on Lovable. Please, in my next video, I will teach you how to deploy your app to Vercel or any other hosting like Hostinger and make it live, and also teach you how to get a custom domain. And on this channel, I've made a video on best platforms where you can deploy your apps for free. I also did a video on where you can get the cheapest domain possible, custom domains for you to connect your app to. So you can consider watching those videos, as I will link all of them in the description of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. See you in my next video.